Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will explain you how to play with friends on Drive Beyond Horizons. So guys, the first step, make sure you have them and your Steam friends list. And when you launch the game guys, all you have to do going to option to create a server. So you are going to have a create a private server and set a password, and then your friend will have to simply join invitations. So after your host your server, going to have option to invite your friends on this team, and you're going to have the option to invite friends, and will be appear with your friends list and to invite. So guys, to invite, basically this is how you can do guys. You should create your own servers, and this that is I hope guys this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video.